riffle is even in depth with a quick current and pretty shallow, really. I mean, thigh deep would be about typical for a riffle, and they can be shallower than that and still hold trout. The main thing about riffles is that they have a lot of insects in them. They are real insect factories, so there's a good reason for the trout to be there, and they are. Riffles may look too fast for trout to hold in, but at the bottom of those riffles, there are small boulders, there are depressions, various places where the trout can crowd in, and they will. So especially for nymph fishing, riffles can be excellent.